A quick overview of the robot I have built. I was following initial tutorial. This is kind of my Mikrik robot. I was using acrylic plastic. It's not so rigid as black plastic that was used in the tutorial of the developer, but I was not able to find another one. Then I slightly improved these chases to make it longer so I can store my bigger batteries. I bought Traxxas batteries, same as default tutorial. Installed bigger wheels because they look more cool, I think. Same way, installed some kind of a spacer to make a caster ball higher, and my Raspberry is inside here, you see. And the motors are slightly different. They're like I shape and not L shape, but it doesn't make any difference. And instead of Lady Panda, I'm using Intel NUC. Yeah, everyone now knows my root password, but I don't think it's a big deal. It's transparent bottom chases. You can see Raspberry and the DF Robot motor driver. NUC I just connected to the chases using Velcro tape. That's how it looks like. Nice and cheap development board. Sorry, platform. Yeah. Cool that we have such a talented users on Hackster, and I'm glad to help them.